Right, question 5. We've got two functions here. Explain why f does not have an inverse. So you're looking for a set statement here, and you can't inverse unless it's a 1-1 relationship. So you can state that fx is not a 1-to-1 mapping, which basically means that if you sub in if you look at your y values, because it's the x squared, then you'll get more than one x value. The inverse of g is g to the minus 1. Find that. So what we do is we swap what gx is for x, and we swap what x is for y. So we then times up times out our bracket, and then factorise out x at all. That doesn't help us. Want to get y on its own, so we're going to firstly of course we can do that, so we can swap it at the same time. So at this point here I'm not going to times out at all, I'm going to cancel that bit. Instead I'm going to divide by x, so I then get 2y plus 1 equals 1 over x, and then take the 1 over, and then we're dividing through by 2. Tough on this one. And then that implies then that g to the minus 1 of x is equal to a half of 1 over x minus 1. Part C then. State the range. Well, the range is basically just the domain, so it'll be that g to the minus 1 x. I can basically put for all values except it does not equal 0.5. And part D, solve the equation fg of x equals g of x. Well, fg of x is subbing in the g of x into fx. So we get that squared is equal to normal g of x. I'm then going to square these sides separately, so we've got 1 and then the bottom equals the other side. I'm going to move my x squared up to this side and then move this to the other side. So x plus 1, sorry, 2x plus 1 there, and 2x plus 1 all squared on this side. That will then give you 2x plus 1 equals 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Move it all to one side, 4x squared, take the 2x off, plus 2x, and the 1's will then disappear. We can then, I'll just keep working up this bit, we can then take out 2x from all of it, which will then leave us with 2x here and plus 1. So then x can equal 0, and because that can be 0, how to make that 0? Minus a half. But the issue with this, if you did accept that answer, is that actually a half, if you sub that back into the original amount, wouldn't work, because that would then give you 1 divided by 0. And why can't you do that? Because it's in the defined range here. So that just gets crossed out and you accept 0.